Who has heard of Thomas Alva Edison?
From all his failures, he was able to get the bulb.
Absolutely, fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, the electric bulb, the incandescent bulb. He failed many times. How many times do you think he failed? Guess.
Multiple innumerable times. Approximately,
He failed 10,000 times when he was trying to make the incandescent bulb. Can we even think of having that kind of patience and persistence? Ki karna hai. Now what happened? One journalist came up to him and said very sarcastically, you have failed 10,000 times. He just turned around and told him, listen, I have not failed 10,000 times. I can tell you 10,000 ways it will not work, right? So I feel even Thomas Alva Edison needs a round of applause even though he is not there anymore. Every failure teaches you something or the other, and 10,000 times, I cannot say myself also whether I can do it or not, but he is always an inspiration to me, always. Whenever I think about something not happening, I say, yaar, come on, he did it 10,000 times. तुमने ये तीसरी बार किया, चौथी बार किया है, करो ना, do it.